Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing video. Not of computer parts, but of a 3D printer. Yep, I got one! Yay! It's gonna be so much fun. This is the Tevo the Tevo Tarantula 3D printer, which appears to be upside down on this because I opened it from the wrong way. Go me! So, well, maybe they unboxed it the wrong way. Jeez. Okay. I don't know. We'll find out when we open it and everything's tilted upside down and all sorts of various which ways. Okay, this appears to be upside down. Oh, okay. These parts are all aluminium, as the people in Britannia say. Extra syllables. Okay, I guess we won't need unboxing cyclical too much.
Aww.
It's okay, we still love him. Oh, I'm also joined by my lovely wife, Michelle.
Hello.
She is the camera lady.
Am.
She's doing great.
Am.
Or are.
Nice pants, by the way.
Oh, thank you. I'm wearing pajamas because they're comfortable, and I'm an adult, and I can do what I want. Okay. So a lot of these are like these little, these are laser cut parts. Excuse my dirty hands. It's kind of a feature of this channel at this point. Okay. There's sensitive electronics, which I probably shouldn't touch with my dirty hands. Okay, more laser cut parts. Here is a giant spinny screwy thingy.
Oh.
For spinny screwy things. Not a euphemism. Okay, we have come to the understanding that most of these things are upside down.
Oh my.
Which is a fault of mine, I do admit, so...
Just put it back and
me.
tape it and then switch.
I think it's too late at that point. We've realized our faults and we're just gonna double down on them and say that it wasn't our fault.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. That seems to be a precedent. So, this is one of the main complaints with this 3D printer. They just throw a little fancy caution sticker right here and expect people to be like, oh, okay, I won't touch this mains voltage, which just sits right here. So at some point in time, we're gonna need to 3D print a guard for this, because this is unsafe AF. Yeah, so if you bridge these two things, it's a zappy zappy daddy daddy. Yeah. So, here's the instruction. Oh, it's not the instruction.
What, that little thing?
No, it's not. I'm just kidding. We're doing really great. We're organizing everything.
Oh, it keeps getting bright.
Oh, no.
Why is
That's
it
not good.
doing that? Did I push something?
Maybe you pushed on a specific part of the screen.
I don't know how to fix.
Maybe you can push on a dark part.
I don't know. It keeps going light and dark.
Try that.
It is.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe everyone will appreciate the extra exposure. It's what artists like, exposure. So these are the servos. This is what I was talking about before. Wait, servos or actuators? These are motors. Motors? Oh, look, I'm so bright. Hello.
It keeps going like...
Yeah, that's annoying.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it must be... Is it because of the fan?
Yes. Are we gonna have to... I'm not turning the fan off for
Fine,
you guys,
fine.
I'm sorry. Okay, we're also taking out this part, go us. This is not part of the 3D printer, if you've realized that. This is now a Poncho toy. Go Poncho. Okay, doing great. We're taking things apart, opening up a 3D printer. Yay! Oh look, a bonus motor. Probably not a bonus motor, maybe it is. Sometimes they like to include extra parts, but I don't think they'll be that generous. Oh, there you go, Poncho. And here is 2 rolls of string.
Woohoo! Printing material.
No, it's string. Okay, it's probably printing material, alright. Oh, hey, bonus stuff. Okay. So, oh, okay. So this is the actual printing bed. This is what the prints come on, and...
It says do not
yes.
touch.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, no, that's only do not touch when it's warm. It's not warm. Oh, that was a nice sound. And as you can see, it has a nice little aluminum foil backing, so very protective. It's not actually aluminum foil, I'm just kidding. Then it has this thing. It's like a butterfly.
Hi, Pinch.
Hey, buddy. What you doing?
Here.
Getting involved, I
Oh,
see.
spoopy.
Okay, we're about to prepare a box for you, Poncho, so say thank you. What? Okay, fine. Okay, here you go, Poncho. Here. There we go. And box for the cat
Oh, squishes.
with a squishy. And I'm gonna sneak around you. Can't see me. Nope. Ah, gotcha.
Oh.
That's what you wanted.
Oh.
Dang it. Okay. Well, we tried. As with usual, most of our unboxing videos end up turning into a cat in the box video.
He's thinking about it.
He's thinking about it? Okay, good. So, this little mess of parts.
Hi, cutie.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. It makes the video better. It's production quality is what it is. So thank you for that, Poncho. Good job. Okay, it comes with a handy-dandy construction manual.
Manual?
Manual.
Never had one
Construction
of
manual.
those before.
It's how you say it with British pronunciation. Because this is aluminium, so you just got it. Okay, full kit packing list. Go us. Assembly manual. Full of assembly instructions, all of which we will not be reading. We're just gonna put it together and hope it works, and anything we're missing, we're gonna substitute with Legos. Yeah.
No. I won't let him do that, guys.
Michelle doesn't like it when I don't read instructions. Even if it's on like a waffle maker. Like, you just plug in a waffle and... Wait.
Anyway.
No, you plug in the waffle.
See, you don't know how.
And it makes a waffle. Wait, no, you plug in the waffle batter and it makes a waffle.
No. Still
Okay,
wrong.
you don't plug in a waffle batter.
Anyway.
Okay. I don't even know what I'm saying. This goes into a computer somehow. Very good. Okay, so I think we're gonna cut here, and when we come back, this will be a 3D printer. I'm just kidding, it won't. We'll show a full build that is gonna be sped up and cool, with some short little slowdowns for comedic relief and effect. Yeah. Okay. Cut. We're just finishing up with the Y motor mount and the Y motor assembly and the Y motor carriage. Yay! Moving on to the X motor assembly carriage gantry thing. Yeah. All right, now the Y-axis assembly is now installed and ready for action. Not yet, really, but you know, almost ready for action. Yay! Quick update. Now the extrusion head is installed. The little worm thingy is installed. All the axes are installed. Now I'm going on to install the electronics. Yay! Hey! Okay, so the wiring is much worse than advertised. It is now a giant bird's nest instead of a 3D printer. But it also does 3D prints. It's a 3D printing bird's nest. Yay! Okay, so it is running, it is alive, it did not explode, it did not send out a wild shower of sparks.
Exploded?
No, that is not an option. Never an option. Are you warm and toasty? No? Okay, maybe that's a setting that I have to make. But anyway, yeah, we have it set up. I'm going to zoom in and show what that says. It says things. This did not explode. That should be a feature. This fan is running, which is good. It's keeping the CPU nice and cool, I think. This is running. It's keeping the thing nice and cool, I think. And yeah, everything's great. One thing I'm kind of concerned about is I don't know where to put the 3D printing filament. Maybe I just hold onto it and it just kind of surrounds and sticks on my finger. And yeah, I have to stay here.
That it takes.
It doesn't matter if it's 8 hours, 12 hours, 9 hours, 100 hours. I have to stay here and just wait. Yeah. So we'll see how it. Fun little testy time. There's a button that says home all axes. or axis, as some people. Oh no, go back, as some people like to pronounce it. So let's try that. Wait, it went. Oh, okay. Prepare. Home all axes. I hope you're enjoying the nice little flickering. It's great. So here we go. Homing all axes, go. Maybe. Please don't explode. That's not an option. Failure and explosions are not options. Maybe, no, don't double click. Okay, well maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we'll be back. Small issue. We didn't know that we had to install the small electronic parts that are included in the components list. These are the stepper driver motors. No, stepper driver things. And yeah, they need to be installed for this to work. So let's do that. Okay, now we have that problem figured out. We installed all the stepper driver things. And yeah, so I'll go right to here. Please enjoy the flashing. It's fun. Okay, and we go down to home all axes. And we're gonna home all axes. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, stop. Stop homing all axes. Oh, okay, we have stopped homing. Oh. Please? You're supposed to stop homing all axes. Okay, we'll be back. Hey, looky here. Okay, now the cables are managed. Kinda. But they're managed more than they were before. And we actually managed to... Excuse me, Mr. Zip Ties. I'll plug you in. Yep. 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 Come on, you got it. A little more. Yep. Right. Perfect. Okay. Now we turn this around. And we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go to... Oh, don't do the flashing screen thing. Okay, I don't think it's your choice. Control. Let's go to motion. No, back to control. Back to main. Go to prepare. Then home all axes. This time without exploding. Oh, oh, oh! Can't reach. Can't reach. Oh, it can. Okay, so we may have tightened these too much. I'm gonna stop it right now. Okay, now let's try it again like this. Prepare, slight adjustment. We moved this from behind here. I thought it would look nicer, but instead it removed everything and messed it up. So go down to here. Let's pull you back a little bit to see what you can do, Mr. Printer. And home all axes, go! Okay, 1, 2, going down for 3. Can we make it? Can we make it? Maybe. It has to reach this little thing called a limit switch right here. And it's getting there. Almost there. Come on, you can do it. I'm gonna have to grease this. It's a little bit noisy and a little bit annoying. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, oh, oh! Oh. Ooh, that's not good. Okay, so another minor adjustment. I just pulled this wire loose from that. So, still learning. Okay, so fewer zip ties hopefully means fewer problems. And 1, that works. That works. And this is about to work, I think. So before this had disconnected this wire right here because it was strained. So okay, we have it all zeroed. Excellent. So from there, I'm gonna go to control. Nope. I'm gonna go to main. I'm gonna go to prepare. I'm gonna go to move axes, and we're gonna move it 1 millimeter at a time. So let's move the Z axis first, just to get it up off the bed. Okay, and you ready? Here we go. And see, I'm just slowly turning it like that, and slowly moving upwards. It'll take its time. This needs to be greased. You can kind of hear it squeaking. That's okay. This thing right here is a auto leveler. I believe that actually ends up replacing the limit switch, but we'll see what we can do about that. Okay, so now let's move a different axis. We're gonna go to prepare again. Gonna go down to move axis again. Move 1 millimeter. Let's go back. Let's move 10 millimeters. Now you can only move the X and the Y with that. You can't move the Z. Okay, let's do... Yep, moving 10 millimeters at a time. Yep. Mirror. 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 Perfect. It's very nice. Okay, so that's roughly in the middle. Let's move the Y. Okay, you ready? Oh yeah. That's very nice. Good job, buddy. We'll need to move some of these cables around, find what works for us, really, and see what we can do. But hopefully soon we'll be ready to print something.